Hey guys, I'm Hannah, and this is the Blizzard Bliss Girls Waterproof from Timberland Kids. Keep the cold out with these fabulous boots. They have a wonderful full-grain waterproof leather, suede, and textile upper for durability. There's also this classic lace-up system for a secure and adjustable fit, but no need to think about lacing those every time because there is a nice little hook and loop followed by a side zipper for an easier on and off. It also has this wonderful faux shearling lining and brushed nylon footbed to cover for warmth and comfort. Now in the inside, it also has a nice Pu footbed made from 5% recycled rubber to help feet stay fresh and offer comfort where it counts. Now on the bottom, we have a wonderful, flexible, non-marking rubber outsole for maximum traction too. She's gonna be ready to go for any element of weather with these awesome boots from Timberland Kids.